light fixtures for your house, outdoor, office, anywhere you want to put. You can even put it inside if you're staging things up. And I'm going to show you what this looks like opening up. On the table we have everything all laid out. We have the top cover. We have the top little end cap. We have the pieces that lock it together. And we have the base and a spare glass, and what we're going to show you how to replace that glass. We have a bracket that we simply going to just find a spot for it on the wall and put it up like so. Very simple to do. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to take the top cover. We're going to take this piece, we're going to slide this in like so. Now, if I do this way, it's going to be a little difficult to get my hands in there. So what I am going to do is take the nut, and then I'm going to take the star washer. Then I'm going to take this piece, and I am going to place it in, put my fingers behind it, and then I'm going to screw down. Then I'm going to just hand tighten it, and I'm good. Got my cap. Now on this piece of glass, there are 2 holes right here. You're going to take these gold bolts, they're studs, and you're going to screw them in like so. And you're almost done. And the only thing you have to do now is just go hang this up, do your electrical. You have a bulb, 60 watt maximum, screw it in. And now if I need to replace one of these glasses, now you're going to take your cover, do all this on the ground, and I now put my bell nuts on. Now there are no ground screws given, and you supply one. You're going to hang your ground. You can wrap it on here if you like, and that'd be sufficient ground. Now this ground also does another thing. It allows me to be hands-free. So I'm able to take each of the leads now, my loads, put them together by giving a little twist and putting the supplied wire nut on. You're going to make your lamp upright, put all your leads in, make sure everything clears, and lock things down. Now, if these things need to be adjusted, your screws, you can do so. Repeat for the other side. I'm going to plug in my power, and I have light. Now, if you want to put this on a timer switch, you can do so. If you have a place that you can take care of your lighting, very easy outdoor with the outdoor lighting, IP rated, is covered. If you ever need to replace the glass, if you need to ever change the bulb, it is a very easy way to do so. It is well protected, no bugs are going to be inside. And this light should last you a very long time. A black polished finish, and comes in many different types, shapes, and sizes. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is what you're looking for to decorate one side of your door, get 2, decorate both sides of the door, put this around your house, anywhere imaginable. An office front, a side of the house, a backyard, by the patio, anywhere that you need to have lighting to decorate your house. Enjoy your product. Thank you for viewing.